This video is sponsored by Dreame.
This is one product that I've been really excited to try ever since I got my hands on it at CES, mainly because Dreame Z1 Pro pool cleaner is something that can make your life as a pool owner a whole lot easier. Of course, when I got to try it back in January, everything was set up and ready to go at Dreame's booth. But the true mark of being easy to use is often how easy it is to get started. And you'll be pleased to know that it didn't disappoint. All right, let's get the Dreame Z1 Pro unboxed. Quick start guide, always helpful. We've got our hook, the remotes. It's nice and sturdy. Solid buttons. PlayStation is jealous. Instruction manual. This will come in handy. Charger. Also very sturdy. And then the beast itself, the Z1 Pro, which packaged well, and not terribly heavy. You can definitely pull this out of the water. Might have to do a little weightlifting. Once the Z1 Pro was unboxed and charged up enough to begin use, simple enough thanks to its quick 6-hour charge time, the first step was downloading the Dreame Home app and registering an account. You can also use this account with any other Dreame products, of which there are a lot, like robot vacuums and lawnmowers, wet dry vacs, hair dryers, and even more. But back to the pool cleaner, you'll need to connect to your Wi-Fi, which requires the usual song and dance with these kinds of products. You establish a Bluetooth connection, then enter your Wi-Fi network and password where necessary. And I know it seems like everything these days requires you to connect your Wi-Fi somehow, but to take advantage of the world's first cordless robotic pool cleaner with a poolside operable remote controller, you do want that Wi-Fi connectivity, so the Z1 Pro is operating at its best. Also worth noting, that world's first line isn't just Dreame saying that. It's confirmed and certified by Frost Sullivan, as well as being the world's first robotic pool cleaner with a triple surround fusion perception system. So let's see how the Z1 Pro backs up those accolades. Once everything is set up, you can start your first clean by way of the buttons on the robot itself or within the app. Immediately, it makes a map of your pool with the Z1 Pro's advanced PoolSense technology powered by AI, and begins cleaning efficiently by following an S pattern along the pool floor. The Z1 Pro packs 8,000 GPH of suction power and effortlessly clears out leaves, dirt, algae, and debris to keep the pool spotless. With its active dual brushing system, it scrubs every surface, leaving the pool fresh and ready for a swim all year round. It'll also take care of the pool walls with this first cleaning cycle before returning itself to the waterline, where it's easy to retrieve by hand. Still, we haven't even gotten to my favorite parts yet, which are the additional features via app and the remote control. We have smart cleaning, zone cleaning, and custom cleaning options. Smart cleaning is what we did with our first cycle. Zone cleaning allows the Z1 Pro to use its advanced PoolSense tech to divide the pool into different zones and then allow you to pick which zone needs cleaning. And custom cleaning opens up options such as floor or walls only, or focusing on the waterline. And again, what I really like is when cleaning is done, the robot returns to the waterline and sends your phone a notification. It'll wait there for 5 minutes before submerging itself back into the water. Now, should you take longer than 5 minutes to retrieve the pool cleaner, you could use the included hook system to pull it out, but that's what we have this for. The remote can be used to return it to the wall for easy retrieval, and of course, you can use it for much more. For example, if there were spots that we wanted to guide the Z1 Pro to specifically, I could use the directional buttons on the remote to steer it and then press the spot cleaning button to have it clean the surrounding area. Just a quicker way to get a specific area clean instead of running an entire cleaning cycle. Cleaning the debris out of the robot was pretty painless too, with the easy to access basket. Equipped with an advanced filtration system, the Z1 Pro excels at capturing everything from small stones and leaves to sand, gravel, and hair. It even filters ultrafine particles, ensuring a crystal clear pool. Overall, I don't know what else I'd ask for in an easy to use pool cleaner. With its impressive 4-hour working time, all I had to do was put it into the pool to start cleaning and then take it out when it was done. Everything else can be set from within the app, which saves a lot of time since the Z1 Pro does all the mapping itself. If you're gonna pick one of these up, be sure to use the links in the description. And while you're down there, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think. Dreame's got a ton of cool home tech worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.